Crazy. They don't do that.
I vaig dir-li, això és una bogeria, no feu això.
She said, as a matter of fact, we do. May I send you some information in the mail?
I em va dir, sí que fem això, t'enviaré la informació al correu.
I did not believe in miracles then.
No creia en els miracles llavors.
Didn't have a way to think clearly. Couldn't connect. I didn't know, but somehow something miraculous just happened.
I no era capaç de comprendre'ls, però d'alguna manera o una altra un miracle va passar.
The letter arrived in my mailbox maybe 18 hours later.
I una carta va arribar al meu correu potser 18 hores després.
This isn't how it works. You know, the mail I don't know, it just doesn't work like that. You know, it takes days, it takes 2 days, not 18 hours.
Ho va considerar des del primer moment com un miracle que arribés aquella carta.
I opened up the letter.
Vaig obrir la carta.
The following morning was the open house.
I el dia següent, el matí següent, era el dia de portes obertes.
And so I hopped on the train and I took the hour journey and I went and I walked in the door of the center.
Així que vaig agafar el tren i em vaig plantar una hora de trajecte amb el tren a la porta del centre.
And after listening for 5 minutes, I knew what I was going to do with the rest of my life.
I després d'escoltar durant 5 minuts vaig saber què volia fer la resta de la meva vida.
I applied.
Vaig demanar accés.
They brought me in for an interview.
I em van portar a una entrevista.
I went to an interview with a backhawk. I'm a real punk rocker, so like.
I em va entrevistar un home amb una cresta.
I can't believe they said a real punk rocker in video.
Com un rocker, un punk.
It's okay. It's still there now, you just can't see it. If you look hard enough, it's still there.
I jo també la portava en aquell moment i si mireu bé encara la puc veure.
I see it when I look in the mirror. So.
I jo la veig cada vegada que em miro al mirall.
And I was accepted, and they called me on the phone and they said, "You're accepted," and I cried because it's okay to do that.
I em van trucar i em van dir, t'hem acceptat, i vaig posar-me a plorar.
I completed the program after 1 year.
Vaig acabar el programa després d'un any.
I had an internship which required me to create something.
Vaig tenir l'oportunitat en què em van dir que podia crear alguna cosa.
I created a support group called Better Days.
I vaig crear un grup de suport que es deia Better Days, que és dies millors.
I moved on, I got a job in different places, and I volunteered over the course of the next 5 years or 6 years as a peer worker and a peer counselor, and volunteering, giving groups like this.
I vaig seguir endavant i vaig actuar com a terapeuta, com a consultor, en diferents grups de suport com aquest.
I also worked with different mental health agencies as a case manager and.
I vaig treballar en diferents iniciatives d'ajuda a la salut mental.
This project, this support group, Better Days, that was just for the purpose of helping people as my internship, but then to help people after as a volunteer, because it mattered to me that people benefited.
I aquest programa inicialment simplement era com una espècie de voluntariat intern per ajudar la gent perquè això a mi m'importava.
In 2011 I stopped giving the group and I did other things with my life.
I l'any 2012 vaig deixar el grup i vaig començar a fer altres coses amb la meva vida.
In 2013 I decided why not, I can print this and know how to do things hazlo tú mismo. Do it yourself. Did it?
I l'any 2013 vaig decidir imprimir tots aquests passos, totes aquestes iniciatives que seguia amb aquest grup dels millors dies.
I had no idea I created something that people around the world wanted.
I no era conscient de que havia creat una cosa que el món volia, necessitava.
Particularly odd that there were psychiatrists writing on Amazon about how great this book was, and I'm thinking to myself, don't you know how this came to be?
El va sorprendre que a Amazon psiquiatres i persones reputades el felicitessin per lo bo que era el llibre.
My life rapidly changed.
I la meva vida va canviar totalment.
At the same time, I was seeking out a different team of psychiatrists because I was seeking out a different team of psychiatrists.
I en aquell moment estava jo ajudant diferents equips de psiquiatres.
Because I found out that the one I was seeing since I was 18 was being paid by a personal check by my parents to drug me and things like this.
I vaig adonar-me de que la persona, el psiquiatre que l'havia estat medicant durant tants anys, ja havia estat pagat i assessorat personalment pels seus pares.
So I had new psychiatrists and I was meeting with them and they said to me, Greg, you don't have these conditions. This is not right.
I quan vaig començar a fer-me gran i altres psiquiatres em van visitar, em van dir que el que m'havien estat dient que tenia fins en aquell moment no era cert.
Not to mention that we had a packet of documents that stated from the beginning they knew this was the case.
I no cal comentar que tenia documents des del principi en què reafirmaven la seva posició del que m'havien estat dient era cert.
Of course, keep in mind this packet of documents was sitting in a file room in a building I worked in for years.
I vaig estar recollint durant anys aquests documents que m'havien estat reiterant que jo tenia algun problema.
They said, this book, how is this possible that I created something like this when I was so sick, and so drugged, and it's like bloated, it's drooling, mosquitoes not biting me, it doesn't make any sense.
I és al·lucinant com vaig ser capaç de crear aquest llibre, això, quan estava tan malalt, quan no era una persona mentalment estable i tenia el cervell tan inestable.
It said, you need to go off this medication, it's making you sick, we're taking these diagnoses off your record.
I els nous psiquiatres em van dir que havia de deixar aquesta medicació que havia estat prenent-me durant tants anys perquè m'havia estat fent mal.
I said, have you seen me? I'm obviously a sick person. I mean, yeah, so I'm having some success, but obviously I'm sick. I mean, come on, I always freak out.
I els hi vaig dir, però m'ho esteu dient de veritat? Si jo no em veieu, sóc una persona malalta, sóc una persona que necessita ajuda.
He said, no, you don't have these symptoms. You have trauma. You're just having trauma and these pills are making it worse.
I ells em van dir, no, tu no tens cap tipus de problema, tu l'únic que et passa és que tens traumes i aquestes pastilles que t'estàs prenent ho estan fent pitjor.
The last day of April 2015, I took the last medication.
I l'últim dia d'abril de l'any 2015 em vaig prendre l'última pastilla.
4 different drugs at over 28 years.
Les 4 diferents tipus de drogues que havia estat prenent durant 28 anys.
My whole world opened up.
I tot el meu món es va obrir.
And shortly thereafter, I completely collapsed.
I poc després vaig enfonsar-me totalment.
Why do people say, why do you smile? Like, I always smile when I say it completely collapsed.
I la gent em pregunta que per què somric mentre dic que vaig tocar fons totalment.
I've never known such suffering as this collapse. I mean, I've been through crazy shit in my life and this is like the worst.
Però tota la meva vida havia sigut una bogeria i per fi vaig tocar fons.
But I can't help but smile when I talk about it.
I no puc evitar somriure quan en parlo.
Not because it's funny.
No perquè sigui divertit,
Because somehow I'm happy. I mean, I can talk about it. I can do this right now. It doesn't matter. It happened. I'm okay.
Sinó perquè ara mateix sóc molt feliç i puc parlar d'això sense cap tipus de problemes.
I had a cognitive neurological condition after 28 years of taking pills I didn't need. I was finally free. They changed my records, and then I got sick with this neurological thing as a direct result.
Però com a resultat dels 28 anys que havia estat prenent aquestes drogues que no necessitava, havia causat problemes neuronals en el meu cervell.
But I'm the guy who told the entire world that they removed my diagnosis. I'm not sick. I'm no longer taking medication. And then I went completely mad.
I jo, que havia estat dient-li a tothom, que havia estat manifestant que m'havien tret dels medicaments, que estava bé, que no passava res, llavors just després vaig tocar fons totalment.
I know it's not funny, but I mean, can you appreciate the horrendous irony of the whole thing?
Bé, sé que no és divertit, però podeu detectar la ironia en tot això que va passar.
When I needed everyone the most, when I needed help in every possible human and beyond way, everyone left me.
I quan necessitava ajuda, quan de veritat necessitava ajuda de totes les persones que estaven a la meva vida, quan de veritat necessitava ajuda, tothom em va abandonar.
I went to Latvia in October of 2015 for my first time attending the European Conference on Mental Health.
I vaig anar cap a Europa l'any 2016 per fer la meva primera xerrada a Europa sobre salut mental.
The person who was traveling with me at the time, she and I went into a sauna together with other people.
To a what?
A sauna? Sauna?
Sauna.
Sauna.
I la persona que viatjava amb mi i jo vam anar a una sauna junts.
And the heat released compounded neurotoxins from my fat cells.
I la calor de la sauna va alliberar en mi neurotoxines.
I began slurring my words.
I vaig començar a encallar-me les paraules.
I had tics like this, and
I a tenir tics.
I had a ton of behavioral issues. I even had trouble tying my shoes, and I couldn't even communicate properly. It was awful.
Tenia problemes per comunicar, tenia problemes per moure'm, per fer-me els llaços de les sabates.
Because this is my job.
I això va ser un problema molt gran, perquè parlar és la meva feina.
Everything burned to the ground.
I tot va enfonsar-se cap per terra.
for the next 3 years, everything burned to the ground.
I durant els següents 3 anys tot va ensorrar-se.
A metaphor. Metaphor.
Una metàfora.
That's my house, it's on fire.
Aquesta és la meva casa que està en foc.
My house is on fire.
La meva casa està en flames.
Please help me.
Sisplau, ajudeu-me.
Please, somebody, please. Call the fire department, please.
Sisplau, que algú porti els bombers, sisplau.
Get sand, get a fire extinguisher, do something, please help me.
Sisplau, sisplau, que algú faci alguna cosa.
Wow, Craig, look at those flames. I mean, that's amazing. Look at that. That's a real accomplishment. Look at the flames. Look at your life blow up.
Però mira les flames, mira com la meva vida s'enfonsa.
Like, are you guys actually like standing here with me and watching? Why don't you get the hose? Just what? What the fuck?
I ningú m'ajudava, jo estava al mig de les flames i ningú m'ajudava.
My cat,
El meu gat.
my everything,
Tot.
my everything.
Totes les meves coses.
In January of 2018, I decided, upon knowing I was going to become homeless and lose my cat,
L'any 2018, després de tornar-me a...
my cat.
No, a una persona que està al carrer. Sí, un sense sostre, després d'haver retornat un sense sostre,
I decided I would jump into the universe and take my chances.
així que vaig decidir saltar al món i provar, tenir una oportunitat.
About I lost all, I mean, I have some stuff in storage. I haven't seen my cat in a year and a half. I don't even know where he is. It's heartbreaking.
Vaig perdre el meu gat, totes les meves coses, tot el que havia tingut.
I believe he's alive. I mean, it's not my heart. I just feel that like I have to do something about this later. But my cat, I lost. I said goodbye to my cat.
I jo sento però que el meu gat va sobreviure, que el meu gat està viu.
I bought a one-way ticket to Paris.
Vaig agafar un bitllet d'anada a París.
I found some people who are personas con experiencia propia.
I vaig trobar un grup de persones amb experiència pròpia.
Or experts by experience.
Experts per experiència.
And I organized workshops in France and in Belgium and in the Netherlands and in the Czech Republic and in Switzerland and other places.
I vaig començar a organitzar per tota Europa, per França, per Suïssa, workshops com aquesta.
In both the French and German-speaking part of Switzerland, it's important.
To the French and
The
what?
French and the German part of Switzerland.
I a França i a Alemanya van ser els meus parts preferides.
This is important. You gotta work with people where they are. You can't force yourself on them. You have to like make it so it's accessible to them. So the book's in different languages for that purpose.
I els llibres que tinc estan traduïts a diferents llengües per això, perquè aquestes persones puguin entendre, perquè has de comunicar-te en el seu idioma.
Since then, I've been in 25 different countries.
Des de llavors he estat en 25 països diferents
I've not had my own home since then.
i no he tingut casa pròpia des de llavors.
I have not seen my cat.
No he vist el meu gat.
I generally wear clothes that I get and then I move on and then
I normalment porto roba que compro i després em canvio de casa i
I have to make a choice.
vaig haver de fer una elecció.
I knew I had a purpose to live
Sabia que tenia un motiu per viure
and I had to follow that purpose no matter what was in.
i sabia que havia de seguir el meu camí, no passava, era igual el que posés enmig.
I almost said no matter what was in the way.
I quasi que dic, és igual el que estigui al camí.
What I was actually doing, I can say it differently now, is
Però el que de veritat estava fent, i ara ho puc dir realment,
despite or in spite of
a pesar de las cosas que estuvieran.
and in defiance of. In defiance?
Crec que no té traducció.
Defiance. In opposition to.
I oposant-me a totes aquestes coses que estaven al meu camí.
In the face of it all,
I enfrontant-me a totes aquestes coses.
I was going to live and find my path.
Vaig decidir que volia viure i enfrontar-me i seguir el meu camí.
And I succeeded.
I vaig triomfar.
I am living proof that you can do things they say you can't do.
I sóc la prova vivent de que podeu fer coses que us diuen que no podeu fer.
I'm living proof of the impossible.
Sóc la prova vivent de lo impossible.
Most people who have had what happened to me happen to them are dead.
I moltes persones que els van passar, el que em va passar a mi estan mortes.
Or they're living on the side of the road.
O estan vivint al carrer.
or they're in jail,
o estan a la presó,
or they're locked in a psychiatric
o
hospital.
estan tancades en un psiquiàtric.
And I'm none of those things.
I jo no sóc cap d'aquestes coses.
And no matter what pressures exist in my home country,
I no importa les coses que passessin,
because I committed the egregious crime and sin of surviving and becoming healthy,
perquè em vaig comprometre totalment a curar-me i a ser una persona saludable.
in the face of all oppression, in the face of all abuse, in the face of all authority,
I enfrontar-me a tota autoritat, a tot problema i a tot conflicte que es posés davant meu.
I took control of my life,
Vaig agafar el control de la meva vida
and I proved that it's possible to do it,
i vaig demostrar que sí és possible fer-ho,
and now I'm fulfilling my life mission, and that is
i ara estic aconseguint seguir el meu propòsit a la vida.
to find people anywhere I possibly can and support them and guide them and prove to them that it's possible to do the same.
Que és trobar persones arreu del món que es trobin a la mateixa situació que jo i demostrar-los que és possible el que vulguin fer.
And that is what Better Days is all about.
I això és del que va Better Days.
And I'm here to share with you
I estic aquí per compartir amb vosaltres
the reality and the truth
la veritat i la realitat
that every person in this room,
que cada persona en aquesta sala,
no matter what they've said about you,
no importa el que hagin dit sobre vosaltres,
no matter what you say about yourself,
no importa el que vosaltres mateixos digueu sobre vosaltres,
no matter what documents said about you,
no importa el que els documents diguin sobre vosaltres,
police file,
no importa el que digui l'arxiu policíac sobre vosaltres,
ex person in your life,
qualsevol examic o expersona a la vostra vida,
family member,
qualsevol familiar,
neighbor,
veí,
anyone,
qualsevol,
no matter what they've
no
said,
importa el que hagin dit de vosaltres,
no matter what's happened to you,
no importa el que hagi passat a vosaltres,
no matter what you've done,
no importa el que hagueu fet,
because let's be fair, we've all done hurtful things.
perquè espereu que siguem tots conscients de que tots hem fet coses dolentes, tots hem fet mal,
No matter where we learned those behaviors, and no matter why we did them, we've done those things.
i no importa pel motiu pel que els féssim, però simplement hem d'acceptar que els vam fer.
Everyone here in the wrong way included.
Tots hem fet coses dolentes.
None of that matters.
No importa res.
Everyone in this room
Tothom en aquesta sala
has power within themselves,
té el poder dins seu,
in your heart,
al seu cor,
in your soul,
al seu esperit,
in your spirit,
al seu esperit,
to do anything you want.
per fer qualsevol cosa que vulgueu.
Forget diagnosis.
Oblideu-vos el diagnòstic.
You're human.
Sou persones humanes.
Whatever happened to you, happened.
I qualsevol cosa que us hagués passat, ha passat ja.
You have power to do what you have the power to change yourself if you choose to.
I teniu el poder per canviar el que sou, si voleu.
And I believe in this
I crec això,
because I live it.
perquè ho he viscut.
And I believe in all of you.
I crec en cadascun de vosaltres.
Thank you. We're going to come back in 15 minutes and we're going to have, for the rest of the workshop, fully interactive. And I'm so grateful to be here with you. I thank you so much.
Gràcies, tornarem d'aquí 15 minuts, us agraeixo molt que m'hagueu escoltat i d'aquí 15 minuts quan tornem serà interactiu.
Thank you.